Struggling with noisy video calls? Whether it's barking dogs, clattering keyboards, or just a noisy office, background sounds can make meetings frustrating for everyone. I'm Barnett from ITCubed, where we make tech work for you. Today, I'll show you how to reduce background noise in your video calls so you can sound professional even in a chaotic environment. Stick around, these tools and settings can make a huge difference. From built-in noise suppression features to clever microphone hacks, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First up, take advantage of built-in noise suppression features. Apps like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet have built-in noise cancellation settings. In Teams, just go to Settings, Devices, Noise Suppression, and set it to high to block out most background sounds. In Zoom, head to Settings, Audio, Suppress Background Noise, and choose High for the best results. Tip number 1, use built-in noise suppression settings for clearer calls. If you want even more control, consider using external tools like Krisp or NVIDIA Broadcast. These apps use AI to cancel out background noises, and they work with almost any video conferencing platform. Just install the app, select it as your microphone in your video call settings, and enjoy clearer audio. Tip number 2, use AI-powered tools like Krisp for advanced noise cancellation. Finally, don't forget about your hardware. Use a good quality microphone and position it close to your mouth to reduce a chance of background noise being picked up. Directional microphones are great for this because they focus on your voice while ignoring other sounds. Tip number 3, use a directional microphone for clearer and more focused audio. To recap, use built-in noise suppression. Try advanced AI tools like Krisp and invest in a good microphone for the best results. Did you find these tips helpful? Hit that like button, share this video with your team, and subscribe for more practical IT insights. At ITCubed, we're here to make your tech life easier. Stay sharp, stay secure, and sound great on your next call.